Hi guys, welcome back to another Ink and Metal 5773 video. Today we're going to be talking about how to partner with organizations. So first off, before starting off with this topic, there's a few questions to consider when approaching this step. First off, we want to consider what is the relevance. Relevance in a sense, is the organization you're trying to partner with aligned with your FTC team's vision? And we refer to FTC teams as that is us in particular. And is your partnership mutually beneficial? Because that's going to increase chances of being partnered with. And do you need a partnership for an outreach initiative or project? This is another factor that many companies or many organizations take into consideration when approving your partnership or working towards it. So there's a tiers of connection that we must understand before proceeding. So as you guys know, in the Bay Area with all this growing technology, there's a lot of growing social media platforms, and why not use it? So on the left, Instagram, Facebook, websites, these are all just equivalent in terms of finding organizations to connect with and researching background information to understand what they're doing, how they're connected, how they could possibly work with you, and how they're linked with you. Right. Through this, you can reach out, connect with them, send out messages, follow up. Also, they can do the same for you. And this is crucial towards helping them develop a sense of trust in you and your organization or team and the activities your team is doing. So it's very important to utilize these social media platforms as they allow you to communicate with people who you may have not even met in person or don't even know. So now following this, there's what we call adult organization level. It's a more professional way of communicating and reaching out. And many of you guys would have heard of Nextdoor, WhatsApp, using websites. So essentially, these are another extension of just more than social media platforms, the direct way of contacting people and organizations and finding more information about what they do and what type of topics and projects they're interested in. So making the appeal is much more easier. On top of that, leveraging connections using friends and family. For example, if you know someone who is affiliated with a particular organization and is in a somewhat of authority position, feel free to reach out to them to increase your chances of getting the partnership approved or getting more information about what that organization is looking for in terms of partnership, as this will be a huge deal when it comes to that stage. Cold emailing, simple, search it up, find the email, contact them like you, although you've never before, to establish relations and make sure you send follow-ups to ensure that you're interested and deeply motivated to actually follow up with this. And it's a desire from you, understanding their credibility and their potential. And LinkedIn, another platform, essentially like you guys can think about essentially like Facebook, but more for adults and more for business and marketing purposes. On top of that, there's reasons why you would partner. So one thing can be assistance. If you need help on with working on a project, right? Maybe working on a curriculum, something like that, to assist and guide you along the path, you can partner with an organization as they are reputable and have done similar things before, or for your personal growth. And in terms of growth, maybe for your overall team's leadership, right? Developing team strategies to improve the overall team's progression in the future in a short span of time, utilizing each member's value, right? These are all factors that experienced mentors and organizations can help you with. Then implementation, for example, we have a trash order project we've been working on from the start of the season, and we are mechanizing this trash order as a way of innovating from our past season's design. And during this time, we need to partner with organizations to allow us to implement it at places or reach out to other organizations and places to increase our chances of getting it implemented. Right? So these are three primary reasons we often in FTC partner for. And as a matter of fact, these also relate to First Tech Challenge Awards when it comes to winning these. So your Motivate Award in terms of connecting with the community through partnering with an organization, you will get an extended amount of audience that you can recycle for your events and provide as much help and support to. Connect Award, essentially that is what you're supposed to do. Connect award, just connecting with industrial professionals, organizations, for the overall development of your team and understanding of that. Inspire award as an overall big picture, doing well in both the motivate connect aspect and the robot game, and working hard towards spreading first to community and respecting and valuing the skills of others around you and using that knowledge to foster yourself and give back more to the community. The Inspire award is another possible award that you can win if this is done effectively. So this is a way you can connect with us. As a matter of fact, ahsinkinmetal.org, and our Gmail is inkinmetal5773@gmail.com. That's it for today, guys. We'll see you in the next another video. If you guys like the video, please click the like and subscribe button. Until then, see ya.